Good morning. That was actually surprisingly the end of the cross-country road trip. I know it ended very, very abruptly. I will address that at a later time for sure. I am still planning on a live Ask Me Anything about my road trip on YouTube. I haven't scheduled it yet, but today I am back at it and I'm getting back into the swing of things. Like I said, I have been working really hard on filling my themed sales, and of course now I'm starting to trinkle into, is that a word, trinkle? Anyway, I'm starting to get into my variety shows as well. I'm working on my schedule all the way through the end of the year. So obviously a lot of planning is going into this. I have in September, I have Back to the Beach, which is ocean themed. I have It's Poodle Time, which is poodles, obviously. And I have Think Pink, which is all things pink. In October, I know I have my Bengal show. I'm still working on one or two others that I've kind of been bouncing my ideas around. Nothing for November yet, but the big one is the 12 Days of Christmas in December, which is where I'm planning on going live for 12 days in a row, December 1st through the 12th. And there's a few themes in there. There's a couple live shop-alongs. There's a bunch of stuff. So I'm looking for all kinds of stuff. Of course, some of the themes include elephants and Santa and the color blue and elves and Christmas ephemera. There's a lot going on. So let's go in. I have a lot to find. I am super excited to be back here. I'm starting my day at Old Factory in Hummelstown, Pennsylvania. Looks like they've restocked since I've been here last. I can already tell from the outside. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I'm desperately searching spooky season stuff because I am participating in a Whatnot sponsored train that is Halloween themed that I don't have much time to prepare for, especially with as packed as my schedule is. So unfortunately, by the time this posts, that will have already happened, but let's go in and see what we can find. Now, as some of you guys might know if you've been following me for a while, I actually am not a Halloween person. And it comes from years of people being like, oh, I bet you love Halloween. Vintage Halloween is incredibly hard to find, especially at resellers' prices. So I am staying true to myself. I'm not going to go contemporary. I have one piece that's a little bit newer than I'd like so far in the sale, but I am trying to keep my standards up to my liking here. Well, wait a minute. What do we have here? Oh, as is. Dang, I was going to say $18.50. It's a pretty good price. What is as is about it? Chip. Dang. I love that style. This kind of catches my attention too. This is neat. Green gold jar with lid, Italy. $5. It's kind of fun. I think I'm gonna go ahead and pick that up. Okay, here we go. Looks like we got some Halloween stuff here. I'm also looking for stuff to put it in the buy it now section. They require 20 items in the buy it now, which of course I don't normally do because I have Etsy for that. $20, yeah. I have a feeling it's going to be pricey. I love these Victorian shoes. I've bought and sold these before. $46. That's about what I got for my last pair after fees. Wow, this is cool. This isn't usually my thing, but I love this sun on it. You know I'm a sucker for anything star print, too. That's kind of neat. $10. That's not bad. I'm not sure. Oh, I'm trying not to overwhelm myself. Famous last words. This is a pink one. That's kind of neat. USA. How new is this though? I'm not the most familiar. This one looks like it might have a little age to it. It's kind of neat. I like that it's pink. It's unexpected. We like unexpected. This is cool, even though I'm sure this is brand new. All right. I'll get back to this. Whoa, look at all this tattoo art. That's neat. Look at this one. How much are these? $35 each. Very cool. Ah, look at this clamper. That's a cool one. Let's see if I can get it off without... Nope. All right, we're gonna have to do one one of these. How much is this? $10. It's kind of neat. Whoa, hello. $10 each. I like these. I think they're newer than I like them though. They're still cool. I remember I showed these back in the springtime and somebody asked for them. These are really cool though. It's a little bit more than I'd like to spend. I'm gonna think about it. You know how I am when I first start out. I can be kind of weird and picky and cheap. But once I start getting my basket filled, it's kind of game over. And there's a lot going on around me. Like, oh my gosh. I know this is probably newer too, but I kind of love this pin cushion. It says vintage. $10. You know what? I have seen these vintage ones. I saw this one that was an eggplant once, and I regretted not buying it so bad. This is cool. This might be perfect for the whatnot. It's, again, a little bit more than I'd like to spend. I have a pretty big itinerary, and I know that I'm gonna end up paying up a lot for Halloween stuff at the end, because I'm gonna be cheap for a while, and then I'm gonna be like, oh no, I have nothing because I was cheap. I did go ahead and throw the pin cushion in my basket just in case. I don't want to get in it to any kind of bind. Oh my gosh, so cute. $6. We love our little skunks. He's got such a goofy face. What's happening here? Freaks and oddities. Huh. I wonder if I could get away with that in the buy it now. These are cool. But again, at $10. $19.91, yeah. It's a little extreme for me. I'd like to keep my buy it now relatively cheap. Now, I did go ahead and look up velvet pumpkin pin cushion on eBay, and there really weren't any listed, so I decided I'm just gonna lock it in. Wow, look at this witch puppet. So fun. I'm gonna look up this too. Now, I normally don't look up as much stuff as I'm looking up, but like I said, I am not hip with Halloween stuff for the most. That's cool. Transylvania. I'm still tempted to pick this up. The problem with it is I don't think I could really make money off of it at $10. I feel like I'd break even. This one has a really unique face. There's only one online like it right now, and it's listed as a buy it now at $19. So that's my gut telling me, don't do it. It's not smart, even though you think it's cool. Look at this little ghost pin. Maybe I'll put this in the buy it now. Oh yeah, that's cool. It's two of them. It's the spider web and the ghost. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and grab that. Well, this guy definitely stands out to me. How fun. Oh, it's new. Dang. I was gonna say $50. Vintage. What is happening with this? Mexico. Interesting. Not for me, but very cool. Got some more spooky season stuff. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Again, a lot of it is new. Look at this carnival glass. $28. Dang. So tough. I don't know why this stood out to me. It's not what I thought it was. I thought it was ceramic. It's wood. Look at this guy. He's fun. $5. I'm gonna pass. That's it for the first floor. Let's see what we got up on the second. I know I love that lamp. That is cool. Is that, oh, I thought it was velvet. No, it's made to look like the original. Poochie, the Christmas pup, how cute. It's a little beat up. Yeah, it's a little beat up. It's a little rougher than I'd like it to be, although it's adorable. This, I believe, is made in Mexico. $5. Yes, it is recycled glass made from Mexico. I know because I found one with the original sticker on it. That's kind of pink. That's cool. I had one of those before. I feel like it did pretty well, if I remember correctly. $5. Being picky. Bangle situation? What is this one? How weird is that? I don't want the green one. I want whatever this thing is with the... There we go. $4. It's definitely on the newer side, but it's cool. And they got the wavy one. $4. Well, hello there. 15. Is there a discount? I've never seen these ones. This is quite fabulous. Sears and Roebuck. Huh. I'm kind of tempted by those because I've never seen them. Something. Yeah. Really cool. Again, 15's probably a little bit more than I'd like to spend on them. Close though. Whoa. Pink glass Kewpie. $6. This is a giant freaking yes. I've never even seen this before. I'm trying to contain my happiness. I think I might even save this for the Santa baby sale, which is Kewpies and Santas. Speaking of Kewpies and Santas, wait a minute. Is it a sign? I think it might be a sign. I need to look this up because I don't want to buy it if that's what it sells for. But this is like so on brand for Santa baby. Yeah, so unfortunately there's like a bunch of them and a huge abundance of those plates online. This one's at 27. I had a feeling. I don't normally pick those up. I've picked up like a teeny tiny one before because it was a couple bucks and the picture on it was so great, but I think $12 for these is probably about what they'd sell for me as well. Yeah, that's definitely my favorite thing I've found so far. Not sure if I'm going to put it in the pink sale in September or save it for Santa baby, like I said. I'm really into this booth. This is fun. You know, I love my plastics. This is another thing I'm a sucker for, inflatables. Look at these. This is $15 for the 3 in the original packaging, which honestly for a collector is a steal. I actually bought and sold these before, and they didn't sell as well as I thought they did, so I can't justify spending $15. That would have been perfect for the Groovy Flower Power Party train. Yeah, I'm kind of thinking I don't have enough self-control to wait until December to offload this guy. He's so spectacular. I think I will put him in the pink sale. I'm noticing he has a little nick right here. But again, I only have to find 20 Kewpies or so for that December sale, which shouldn't be that hard. I have plenty of time, I think. Famous last words, right? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What's happening here? This is not 75% off. I thought it was 75% off. $10. Precious Pooch. Come home to me. Yes. Yes. So, okay, let me calm down for a second. I'm definitely getting this. This is amazing. A lot of people think that this is Mr. Toodles. It is in fact Precious Pooch. Wow, that cat cookie jar is a hobbyist piece and it's $50. This is definitely worth more than $10, so I'm gonna grab that. I'm really overwhelmed. I don't even know what I was talking about. I think I was saying something about Precious Pooch. This is cool too. 15. Do I want to get that? I'm not sure. Ugh. I think the answer might be yes. That's really cool. I'm kind of tempted to pick up this too. This little vase is only $8. I feel like that would be good for the blue sale. This is another thing that usually sells pretty well, but for some reason I'm just not feeling it today. And the owl shakers are cool, especially because they have the original box, but again, I'm kind of in a mode. Mode? I guess both. One last floor to go. I've reached another one of my favorite booths here. This is very cool. 13. I don't think there's no discount in this booth. It's a little bit more than I'd like to pay. Whoop. Moon and Stars. $8. I'll take that. I found out that it glows a little. I didn't even know. How much is this one? $18. That's a really good price. Yeah, check out this decanter. That's in Poli. Neat. I like this one too. This is 19. Carnival glass bowl, $8. It's a really good price too, I think. I'm not sure how well the bowl would sell. But that being said, I do think the answer is more than $8. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and pick that up. Like I said, I've been really trying to branch out more and kind of do some unexpected stuff maybe. So I don't think the juicer is as good a price as I originally thought. Here's another Moon and Stars. This one's 20. And this is kind of pretty back here, 19. That looks like an accident waiting to happen for me, so I'm not even gonna touch it. I'm really tempted to pick this up. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. It's only $19 too. Ugh, I don't know if I want to mess with that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna let that one go. I don't think that one would bring as much as a return as I hoped for. I also love this little duck purse. I've had these before. They really didn't sell well. This one has a really sassy look to it. I'm tempted, but oh my gosh, wait. I know somebody who would love this. Woo! Please, 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 please. 28 and 20% off with that paint loss. Ah, that's too much for me. Look at this. Why is it $5? I don't know why it's $5, but I think for $5 we'll take it, right? I don't see any chips or anything. Boom. Right, so we have 50% off. Marigold for $3. I mean, yeah, I'll take that for $3. How about this guy? This is really cool. Viking amber glass compote comes to $12.50. Dude, what is happening right now? I need to like sit in this chair for a second because I'm kind of freaking out. I was kind of going for the Lefton Christmas girl, even though this doesn't sell the best for me. If the price is right. Yeah, it's still, I mean, it really doesn't sell that well for me. I know people like it, but what about this little funny thing? He's $5. We love him. And that's comes to $10. That's a no. This is $6. That's very cute. Yeah, wow. Okay. This compote is amazing. Okay, so we officially have a double basket situation. The whole set is 25 and 50% off. I'm gonna go find another basket. Well, I don't think I could have my hands any more full. This is amazing. I'm probably gonna tap out here. I only have a couple more booths anyway, but I'm carrying way too much stuff for my liking, and I'm all the way on the top floor. Well, good grief. If that doesn't get you jazzed, I don't know what will. I am super stoked. I only spent $123 in there, which is insane. I'm off to my next stop. I didn't fill as many holes in my sales as I hoped to, but it's only the first stop of the day, and I found some incredible deals.